So this is what I'm asking y'all. Give me an offset, right? You guys say like the pipe is running straight,
and then it comes
right?
up.
Comes up and hit that.
Oh.
And then plus, look, your pipe is right here coming from there, right? So your first line, if you're going from here and you bending it right here, right? Your first line is going to be where? When you're going to bend it? Right here.
All right.
And then your second line going to be where? Back there. You see what I'm saying? Because you got to get past this pipe. So you're going to be straight, boom, bend down. That makes sense? It's going to be a straight pipe, then it's going to bend the offset down. And it's going to run on that way.
Where that pencil go at?
What's the height?
Guess to give it some leeway, I could say 7 and 5/16.
Let me see that. Height. Seven and a quarter.
Quarter?
Yeah. 7 and a quarter.
How's a quarter?
Look, 7 and a quarter, right?
What's a quarter?
7 and a quarter, right here.
A quarter is 1/4.
Right here. 7 and a quarter. 7 and a quarter.
He keeps saying it. Yeah.
You're going to put your line right here. And what's the double in 7 and a quarter?
I'm using this pipe.
What's the double? What's
14 and a quarter?
mark going that way?
That's the bottom measurement, though.
Go from there back. You're not going to mark it here.
Let me get my pipe too.
They fighting with me, bro. They fighting with me with this.
That means you're learning.
I want to see how this is going to turn out for you.
Yeah, I want to see how this motherfucker might turn out.
They get your 30 degrees. Keep at your 30. I want to see something. Keep pressing on it and put it on the ground. Make sure it don't move. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. See. I told you you're going to have to cut it. Put it on the ground. Let me see.
Yeah, man. Good job.
Let me see.
That's in there. That is in
Is it level?
Yeah.
Mark it.
Yeah.
Mark it where it's going to be. There you go. See? Fight with me for nothing.